Your call is important to us. Please hold and we'll be with you shortly.
Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Calling a customer service can be a nightmare. Sometimes it feels like your call is unwanted. Maybe that's why it's so hard to find the right number. Based on statistics, an average customer spends more than 1,000 hours of their life on hold. That's the same as watching all seasons of Game of Thrones, 19 times. Instead, you can put this time into learning how to play that instrument, or climbing Mount Everest, or even training your dog. Luckily, you can do all those things now. Introducing Aruba, a new painless way to contact any company. By using modern machine learning technologies, Aruba eliminates the time you spend dealing with customer service. Meet Molly, your private assistant on Aruba. She is just one click away. Just push a button and speak to the customer service of any company. Oh, and did we mention? It's completely free! Go to arubaai.com now and get invited to our beta test. Next time you want to reach customer service, try Aruba.